वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानतात तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसतलीं साऊथ आनी भलायकेन. So today I'm going to show you all our traditional Goan authentic fish Vellyo, that is anchovy, and already I have a almond curry recipe, but today I'm going to show you all how to fry this and how to clean this. So this is seasoned, okay, and they are like this, huge in size, what we get in Goa. You can get tiny also, but these are huge in size, and it is 350 rupees for a kg. So I have taken half kg. So I will be making half fry, matlab half of this I will fry, and maybe of 10 pieces I will make a curry in a different style. So first thing, let us clean this. So now scales, तर ह्यो जावन आसा आमच्या गोंयच्यो वेल्यो. आणि now last time somebody said why I kept tails. Actually I like tails, but this time I can give a trim. Then now how you want to cut this, with eyes, without eyes, it's up to you. And like this, and then I want the shape of this like this. So what I will do, I will give a slight cut over here, and I will press this way to get out all the inside thing. So this is my way, my style. And some people don't want the head and all, then you can take this so this is the way you have to clean. And if you are using the knife, then you can cut all these things, or you can take a scissor and cut this, and then cut this, and then take this and take out all this. If you don't want head, then cut this way. So this is another way of cleaning. Then another way of cleaning is and cut it this way. But this shape no is like okay for manlis and all. But anyway, whichever is easy, you'll clean this and make whatever you want to make. So this is how it is. So clean all this and hope you all will love this fish, Vellyos. So yeah, I love Vellyo. Actually I love all the fish, so that's why you will get more of videos on fishes. Okay, so hope you all will clean this nicely, as I've shown you three style of cleaning. मानता तुमी सगळीं एका साफ कोत्तेली, जो हांवें तुमकां दाखयला सुर्यन करात, आडायाचेर करात, ओ आयज काल आमच्यो कात्र्यो येयल्या तितून करात, खितूनय करात, पूण करात आनी करून खायात. बारीक नुस्तें सोड हेजें रुचीक, तेजें कोडी बरी जाता, भाजप बरें जाता, जाय तसलें करूं येता. हें म्हारग नुस्तें, इजी इतलें सवाय ना जे दुसरें नुस्तें आसता तहें, पूण गोंया हेजो प्रायस बरो आहा कंपेरींग टू खंयचोरी आनी खंयचोरी कशी जाल्यार आमच्या गोंयाचो प्रायस ह्यो बरो आहा. Okay, thank you. Shown you how to clean and now we will make curry of this Vellyos. तर आता आमी हेजी कोडी करूया. तर हांवें 10 वेल्ल्यो घेतल्या, ताका आमी इल्लें मीठ घालुया आनी ताका आमी लावन दवरुया. त्या मागीर मसालो वांटुया. ओके, सायडीक दवरुया. सो मसाल्याक लागून आमकां कितें जाय, हाफ कोकोनट. So half coconut, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 4 cloves of garlic, 4 Goan local chilies, 2 Kashmiri chilies. Okay, so this is coriander seeds. So all I have taken 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. And we also will be needing 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 green chili, and we will be needing turmeric, this one, amsan, that is tamarind, a small ball of tamarind for this. So here it is, a tamarind ball. So let's grind this to a fine paste. And this is without oil. Again I will be showing you all, without oil is always good curry to make. So now let's add water and grind it to fine paste. So our masala is ready. So we'll add water to this. So not very thin consistency. We will add hot water, like half cup. And mix all this. Now we'll add our onion, tomato and chilies. And we'll cook this till this get cooked nicely. That is onion, tomatoes and all. And we'll add our salt over here. So let's keep this for a boil. तर हेका एक बरो खतखतो काडया. I will take one nice boil and simmer it for 5 minutes and then add our fish. Cover and do. So here it is now. So I will make it slow and let it get cooked for 5 minutes as I have said. So the tomatoes and onion become soft, because Vellyos will take no time to get cooked. It is just not even 5 minutes but 2-3 minutes. So let this get cook. But last and not the least, I'll be using some kokum, that is Goan Vellyache Sola, and some tefal, that is Indian Szechuan. Okay. So now let's check our curry. Okay. Now it's time for our fish to boil this. And the slimy waters. And now we will cook this for just 2 minutes. Okay. We'll add our sola and tefa. See, almost it is done. See. Okay. So just we'll give one boil and it's done. We'll close. Check the salt. It's always good to check the salt. Perfect. No need of any salt. So now it's done. So now what I will do, I will put off the gas, and the fish will, because it is very quickly, you try this and you will come to know what I am saying. Close the gas, cover the lid, cover it with the lid and leave it there for 5 minutes and it's done. So hope you all will all enjoy this recipe. Try and make this recipe. Goan Vellyache Hooman munayata and without oil. Thank you. And here is our traditional authentic Goan Vellyache without oil is ready to serve. Thank you. देव बरें करूं. म्हणतात तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटलें आनी तुमी करून खातलीं. Thank you.